Welcome to the Global Plastic Challenge. Here I'm the contestant and I'm participant. Here my prototype. I would like to share how my prototype work to reach us United Nations. How it will handle the plastic use. I built or I created my ideas in my prototypes that if there's no government that should adopt or implement a law and order that will guide the citizens of the countries or a people or pupils, children at school, teach them how to use plastic items. Without this, we cannot find out or get away from this particular problem as plastic tied to a challenge. And my thinking or my thought about this is, if government adopt a law and order, it will guide the people of that particular country handle carefully the plastic item, especially like spoon, straw, plate, and so on. In this world we are today now, everywhere you go, you can find the people of that particular country using plastic items, and majority of them, they don't know how to even use it or dispose it when it is spoiled. So when it is damaged, how to package it. Government how to teach government supposed to teach their people how to handle and dispose the waste product, especially like when you use plastic or when you use spoon and you want to use it again, you have to wash it. So this is how my prototype work. If government should apply this procedure, I think we'll reach the solution that we are looking for.